Ricardo. Spinach again on the menu with smoothie recipe. We got some celery. So first thing, cut up your celery. So once you put your celery inside of the blender, like what you see I'm doing right here, put a piece of a ginger and some cucumber. I'm using quarter of a cucumber. Remove the skin from the lemon. I'm gonna put a slice of a lemon inside of it. Roughly about 2 handfuls of spinach. Roughly a tablespoon of honey. And some water, just a little bit of water, not too much. To free up the blender. Cover your blender. And we're going to blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. If you have a good Ninja blender, it's very good and better for you to use. If you notice, it's gonna come down. So you take a little time and just see that? So what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of ice to it. Beautiful. So basically what I'm going to do is show you guys. You see I was blending it earlier, so I'm gonna put some ice inside of it. And look at this now. Put some ice. Hold on there. I got some fresh basil. I'm gonna put the basil inside of it. The basil is gonna bring in a flavor in it also. Gonna blend this now. Lovely. So anytime you're going to make a smoothie, you have to put ice in it to get the right texture to it. All right, guys? Lovely. So that's what I'm going to do, just remove my... Nice one. So I just blend it, and now we're going to pour it out. Look at this. Beautiful recipe. And simple. And not only that, the ice makes the difference. As I said before, anytime you're doing this kind of drink, you need ice to make it come the right and proper way. Alright? So, as I said, please enjoy and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend to a friend. That's a proper smoothie recipe. The flavor, the taste, the texture, everything to it. Look at it. Really amazing. And I know you guys definitely will love this one. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I will see you next time with more recipe like this from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.